I think. I want to get down to the bottom and see all the meat there. Okay, Joe.
What are we making here?
Please, don't ask me in this condition. I purposely am ugly. I don't want my picture taken.
Well, now my grandkids are never going to know what this is.
What? Well, you said you're never getting married.
Yeah, never having kids, so turn it off.
Well, now they're going to be disappointed to know that they weren't planned. Jeez. Tell us what we're making.
Now they're going to be disappointed.
Passing around that bum dope on it, man.
Okay, well, we're making
I couldn't
pasties.
look uglier if I tried.
Your boobs are the only thing in it. Okay, so we're making pasties.
Yes?
What are pasties?
They're meat pies.
No, there's no more slop.
No, we don't need to do anything there.
They're meat pies. Where do they come from?
Well, some say the Finlanders take credit, but the English don't. Which
one do you think deserves the credit?
English.
English.
They put her in they used to take them in the mine. Their dinner bucket. And the Finlanders copied them. They got together at UP.
Ah.
Yeah.
So what's in here, Mom?
Everything.
Don't worry, I just got your boobs.
Onion, parsley, salt, pepper, carrots, potatoes, turnips, otherwise known as rutabagas, ground pork, ground beef, and that's it.
And what do we put them in? A big metal pan, or?
You put them on a cookie sheet.
But you didn't
Or
say
a-
pie crust.
Or in with, yeah, you wrap them in crust. Make the crust.
Okay, cut.
Okay. I'm interested to see how you roll out this crust.
So am I. Put some flour on your counter. Technically, they...
You should go over there.
I'm right here, Dad.
You should work right there.
She likes small spaces.
I like it here.
That's what she's used to.
Well, to get your ass chewed.
That's too bad. I don't want that in there for the great grandkids.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I always talk about making PG-13 videos for Grandma and Grandpa, but he just rated R my own.
Whoa!
Well, that's ruining my video.
Oh!
Just like printmaking, rolling out the ink slab.
Yep.
It's called a ink flat right there.
And then you put like two double hands like this.
Okay. You're gonna have to pause after my battery dies.
Maybe a little bit more because we have a lot of inside. Right?
Whatever.
And then I could put butter on top, or we could just go without the butter on top. What do you think?
Butter.
I put the butter on.
Okay. Then I got to get a stick of
Butter makes everything better. Will you tell me what you did? Because the butter thing, I missed the butter thing.
I just put a pat of butter on top inside the pasty. That's what helps keep it nice and moist.
See, when I made pasties, moist was the big problem. It was too greasy.
Oh, well.
How come?
You use probably too greasy meat.
Looks like your ability might be limited to a meat pie.
It was my first time. It still tasted good, but the bottom was all soggy.
See, and then
A meat pie.
you do this. You gotta vent them a little on the top.
I did that. Beautiful.
Squeeze it together. Then you get a spatula.
Noodle cooking is a specialty too.
What is?
Noodle cooking. Boiling noodles.
I've made lots of good things. If my mom would stop telling me everything's easy, maybe I would have learned something.
Well, you just gotta do it, that's all.
That was in the beginning before you told Grandpa to cut them smaller.
See, the more meat you have too, the easier it is to control your veggies. That's known as glue. How many more are in there now?
5.
5?
And you're averaging about 2.5 minutes per pasty, so you're doing pretty good. There's the moisturizer. Just put a stick of lotion on there. This is what we call the flare. Every pasty is individual and special and unique, just like snowflakes. Will you tell us why you're poking the holes again?
Get the excess air out of the pasty, so there's no big hollow.
And you also floured the spatula last time too, so it doesn't tear the bottom of the pasty, which is what I'm really good at doing. Alright, doing great. 5 left. No. Okay, Mom, I'll put it on 400. They're cooking, and how long do they cook at 400? 20 minutes. Oh, can't see them.
You didn't mark the chicken one.
No, I know which one it is. Okay, cook it on 400 and what?
For about 15 minutes.
And then what?
And then 350 for another 45. Then we'll kind of test them, poke them a little, make sure they're done. Then if we need to, they can go another 15 minutes or so.
Okay.
Just go with the flow. It's different types. People have different ovens.
It's just easy, right?
Yeah.